Right, hello everybody, welcome to another episode of FOREX Trading with Si. If you're finding me for the first time, I just want to welcome you to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click like if you find this video helpful in any other ways. So right, let's get straight into it. So before I start this episode, I just want to, as you can see on the right side of my screen, these are all my favorite pairs that I like to trade. These are all more accurate pairs. These are all the pairs that give me the most consistent wins. Obviously, I lose on sometimes I lose trades on these pairs, but these are the most pairs that gives me the most consistent win. So right, this week I've got 3 currency pairs that I'm looking to get into this week. So let's get straight into it. So first off, I'm gonna start off with AUD JPY. As you can see, I'm gonna start on a weekly time frame. I'm going to mark down my major resistance levels and support level. Yep, for this week, that's going to be my major support and resistance levels right here. As you can see, that's going to be my major resistance level, 77.884. And then my support level is going to be at 73.246. So if you just want to take note of that, here I can see a trend line here on a daily time frame. So that's going to be my daily trend line. As you can see, so that's going to be my daily trend line right there. Scroll down onto the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, AUD JPY has been in an uptrend for quite a while now. Yeah, since the beginning of November, it's just been in an uptrend movement. As you can see here, we had a little pullback. Yep, so right now, I'm going to mark this as my temporary resistance level and this level right here as my temporary support. So what I'm looking for now is to get in a long trade. So for right now, I'm just going to wait for the market to either pull back and react off this trend line and then shoot up and break that. That's going to be a higher high, so I'm going to wait for it to break that. If it doesn't break that, if that scenario 1 don't happen, then I'm going to wait for a break of this trend line, test this higher low level right here. So this is going to be our temporary support level. So I'm going to see how it reacts with that temporary support level and look for a candlestick reversal pattern and then get in for a long trade shooting up this way. If not, then I will see if we're going to break this support level, this temporary support level, come back, retest it, and start trending down, because as you would notice that this would be a clear breakout of this trend line, and it has also broken our higher low, breaking my temporary support level, and if that scenario 3 does happen, then that should continue as a downtrend market. So that's one trade I'm looking to get into this week. Right, my next trade is going to be Euro AUD. So I'm just marking down my major support level right there. And that level here will be my major resistance level. When doing your major levels, you must look and try and see as much touches as you get on this line right here. The more touches you get, the more confirmation that it shows that the market reacts with this price level. So we scroll down into the daily time frame. As you can see, Euro AUD has been staying in this range right here. So it hasn't since June, it hasn't really gone in any real direction. Right now I'm going to scroll onto the 4-hour time frame, and straight away I can see this another consolidation range, but on a 4-hour time frame. So mark that up. So we've got a nice consolidation zone right here. So now I'm gonna go scroll down to an even lower time frame, and look, wow, that looks nice. So as you can see, we've got 1 touch, 2, 3, 4. So now I've seen 4 touches in this consolidation range. So now this has told me that this is a very strong consolidation range. So now I'm just waiting for either price to break out of this range, this consolidation area, or to react off its support or resistance level. As you can see, the market's just open right now, so I'm not going to dive in to a buy trade, even though it's looking nice for a buy setup. If you was to put a trade on right now, I'd probably risk around, put your stop just underneath here. You're risking around 38 pips, and you will ride it all the way up here. So it's not bad. It's a 2-to-1 risk ratio, so it's not bad. It's not bad, but the market's just open. No need to jump into this trade right now because you're going to have lots of trading opportunities this week. Let me just scroll down on a 15-minute time frame. Let me just see. As I'm currently in London GMT time right now, I'm probably going to look back Monday morning when London session opens and see what price indication, what price candlestick patterns we have playing out in the morning, and yeah, just gonna keep my eye on this one actually. So remember, we're just gonna wait for price to either push it up, react off this temporary resistance level here. If we get a candlestick reversal pattern, then we look to place a sell trade and ride the market back down to the support level. Take our profits, let the rest run, and get out. And if that does not happen, scenario 2, we'll wait for a breakout of support level. Look to put in a sell trade, and we can see if it rises back up to retest it and push back down. There's a lot of scenario where this trade, where Euro AUD can go, but for now, I do believe, looking on a daily time frame, this has got a strong push to the downside. So I do believe we could see more downside movement to Euro AUD. So really and truly, I'm probably going to be waiting for a breakout to the downside on this. Not really going to look to jump in a buy trade actually. Just going to wait for a nice strong bearish candlestick to break this level here, break this support level, and then put in a sell trade. So that's it for Euro AUD. Next up we have USD JPY. Right. I've been watching this pair for quite a few weeks now. Yeah, since August, and it has been trending down to the downside, but very slow. Not at a fast pace. So as you can see on a weekly time frame, I can't really highlight any major support or resistant levels. Some other traders might find area they will put their major support level at, but right now I can't see any. So on the daily time frame, I'm just gonna give it that. So about that. So on the daily time frame, as you can see straight away, I can see price has been reacting around this level here. As you can see, price has been finding structure around this level here, and then it has also been finding some structure at this level here. So as you can see, now we're stuck in this range here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 touches. When you see 2 touches at the bottom, 2 touches at the top, do you know we have a nice consolidation area here. Scroll down to the 4 hour. Right. So right now, I just need to wait for USD JPY to either touch my resistance level or my support level and see how price reacts with it. But also, I would look out for these levels right here. So that's USD JPY. So what I'm waiting for now for USD JPY to do is keep pushing up to this level right here, to my resistant level. This would be a third touch of it, so I'm waiting for a reversal candlestick pattern to happen. If I don't get that, then I don't take the trade. And if I do get that, then I will take this trade and ride it all the way down back to its temporary support level. Yep. So right now, and either way, we can also put a fib on it as well. Also, just put a fib on it just to see if we can get a pullback as well. If this if we can get a pullback to one of these areas, I mean, if price will react to one of our Fibonacci levels here as well. Because USD JPY has been trending, as you can see, since June, it's been actually downtrending, but very slowly, not at a fast pace. So I will be looking for trades to sell, but at the moment, I'm just going to see if we're going to get a reaction of our Fibonacci. If not, then I'll look for a price candlestick reversal pattern on the resistant level. If not, then I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see where it takes us. But hopefully, hope we'll get a candlestick reversal pattern here. Take a short trade and look to get around 80, anything from 60 to 100 pips off of this. That's if that scenario works out. So that's going to be it from me from this episode of Forex Trading with Sai. I just hope this has helped anybody in any way. And if you do take any of these trades, please don't forget to hit me on the Instagram, message me. And peace out, people. Have a good trading week.